So today I have partnered up with FabFitFun to do another unboxing. This time it is not a season box, it's the members picks box. So these are the top rated, like, favorite products from FabFitFun from past boxes. So a few of these items you will actually see that I've already had before. I've had them in other, like, previous seasonal boxes. It's products that you're able to customize and pick each, like, out of each section. They give you kind of like 3 options, and then you can pick which one, and then you kind of curate the box yourself so that it's a box that is perfect for you. So it's really fun, and it's basically just like all of their best products. So today we're gonna be opening mine and showing you guys what I did, or how I customized my box. So I will have a coupon code for you guys. It is SAM10 in capital letters. That's gonna bring this box down to $39.99. So usually it is $49.99, but you're gonna be saving $10 off with that coupon code. And usually the box is over $200 as far as like retail value. So it's such a good deal. You guys know I've been getting FabFitFun for so long, and they have kind of changed things up a little bit with their packaging. So they have switched over to 100% recycled craft box and paper. So they are gonna look a little bit different when you get them now. They are gonna look more like this. So it has that kind of like more brown kind of box type look, which I actually quite like because it's kind of like more kind of natural that way. Still really beautiful. It's got all of these fall like pumpkins and flowers. So it's very fall inspired. But like I said, this is the members picks box. So these members picks boxes do sell out quite quickly. So if you want it, I would definitely recommend acting on it pretty quickly because they do kind of sell out. And what I love about FabFitFun is that it's always such good stuff, and they have flash sales frequently throughout the year, so you guys can get stuff up to like 70% off of their retail value, which is really cool. They have their FabFitFun TV. You can customize your seasonal boxes as well. They have so many more options than they used to have, so you can actually pick a few of the pieces that you want in your box versus just getting what they, you know, before it was just here's what it is. Now you can kind of customize it a little bit more, which is really cool. Their fall charity partner is No Kid Hungry. So they always work with a charity partner every single season, which is really cool. I'm just seeing if there's anything else. It is available in the US, Canada, and UK. It did come with paper, which I already got rid of, but look how pretty it is in the inside. It's very natural, very kind of earthy. I love that. We have a little magazine like always. So the little magazine here has all of your products that you're gonna be getting in the box. So this kind of tells you a little bit about how the box is curated. Take care of yourself, little blurb there. Then it has all of the different products that you could be getting in the box. It's got some pumpkin spice recipe. There's a pumpkin cauliflower mac and cheese, a pumpkin sage pizza, that actually sounds really amazing, and a pumpkin spice date shake. Then there's like a little fill in and share type thingamabobber. Words of wisdom from people. And your horoscope. Okay, I'm gonna read mine. So I'm a Leo. So mine says, learn how to line dance. What's a harvest hoedown without good old-fashioned line dancing? Leo's sparkly spirit and show-stopping attitude command any dance floor. So jazz it up this season and learn some fun, choreographed country dance routines. I will not be doing that, guys. I am the worst. Sagittarius, that's Jay. Apple picking. Sagittarius feels most comfortable when connecting to nature. This season, explore an apple orchard to soak up the autumn air and hand-pick some yummy apples to bring back home. That sounds much more my speed. Maybe I was meant to be a Sagittarius. The first thing that we have is this little Vooray bag. Now, I actually have this bag already. I've had it in a former FabFitFun box, but I just love it so much, and out of the options that I could customize, I just wanted this one more. So I figured I could just give it to Lily, and then we could both have like matching bags. So it's just this cute little gray bag, and it just says Vooray. But this is what it looks like. Just inside, it's got like a little, oh yeah, it does have a couple little pouches, and it also has a zipper. And then it has this strap here, which I will undo for you guys so you guys can see, because I know I'm just gonna give it to Lil. But it's quite a good bag for like if you're gonna be going outdoors, because it's kind of more of like a, I feel like it's more of like an athletic crossbody, but you can make it long and you can like wear it over your shoulder. But it's really comfortable and super soft, and it's just a nice light gray. So that's the very first item that I chose. The next thing I chose was the Spun Gel Sugar Dahlia Beyond Cleansing. It's a body wash infused buffer. So this is actually like a little buff, like a sponge that's already got the soap inside, and it smells so good, of like flowers. So that's really fun. And who doesn't want to already have the stuff already in there? Then you don't have to do anything. Okay, then I got a little makeup drop hybrid silicone pad and blending sponge. So on one side it is the actual, one side is the sponge like this, and then one side is the actual silicone pad right here. So you guys can see it's like more silicone there and then the sponge. So it's kind of like a little hybrid sponge. Okay, next I chose this because I actually have 2 of these and I'm obsessed with these rugs. They're so cute. So these are the Caravan Design Well Traveled rugs. And I actually picked these in a former box. And I thought, hey, why not add to my collection? Because they are such cute little rugs. But they have like this really cute little design on them. Wah-wah-wee-wah! Look how cute those are. Aren't those fun? With the little kind of diamond design. So I absolutely love that. I think that's such a cute little rug. Oh, I just ruined mine. Hold on a minute to get back over there. I chose these slippers and I actually haven't tried these slippers before. So these are the PJ Salvage gray slippers. Oh wow, they're so soft on the inside. They're like little fluffy kind of like faux fur on the inside. Super cozy. Aren't those cute? They just look like little knit sweater, but they're slippers. So those are fun. I feel like slippers are always good. And this is one of those things that like are great gifts as well. If you know that you already have like 8 million slippers, those are great to save for Christmas as a Christmas present. If you don't know what to get someone, like if it's a white elephant or something like that, I feel like slippers, like you can never go wrong with. Okay, the next thing I got is the Grown Alchemist Hydro Repair Day Cream in Camellia Geranium Blossoms. A nourishing, non-greasy facial moisturizer that noticeably improves skin hydration levels without leaving residual oil or shine on the skin. This formulation's velvety viscosity leaves the skin looking smooth and soothed, resulting in an ideal primer for makeup application. Oh, it's Australian certified toxic free. And this is what the actual packaging looks like. So it's quite simple. Very kind of just like chic. It's got a lot of plant-based, like aloe vera, sweet almond, sweet orange, geranium, carrot, camellia, jojoba, white willow, chamomile. There's like a bunch of plants in there, so seems quite nice. We also got the Nurturing Hand Cream from Libido. This is the Musk Coconut and Shea Butter. I love the packaging. The packaging is super duper pretty. Let's just try this out. Sorry, I forgot to try the hand cream or the face cream. I'll try that out for you guys as well. It smells just like coconut. It's very subtle. It's not like a strong scent or anything, which sometimes it's good if you have like really dry, sensitive skin on your hands, because if it's too scented, then it's like a little bit too much. Ooh, that feels really good actually. It's really nice. It's not super greasy. Seems to absorb quite quickly, but it feels really smooth. This is great to keep in your purse, especially with all the sanitizing that everyone's doing. I feel like skin is just getting so dry on hands. I know mine is constantly feeling dry. So this is a great little hand cream. And then I will test out this face moisturizer. I suppose I don't really need the box anymore, do I? So I think you just do a little pop pop. And now I don't think that one has scent because all I can smell is the coconut on me, but it's just a white cream. Feels really smooth, not too thick. Seems like it would go into the skin and absorb quite nicely. Got an $80 off HelloFresh card and a $45 credit to Bright Cellars, which is a personalized wine match box, which I'm not going to use because I don't drink. So if you guys want to use the code, you can. Be my guest. There's the code. And you guys can get yourself a little wine box for $45 off. Sorry, there's one more item. It was hiding in the back. Okay, so this is the Lumira Nicole Trunfio The Vow Rose and Sweet Tobacco Perfume Oil. So this one just comes like this. It's like in a little black roller, which is actually really cute. I'm gonna stick it up here because I've already got something on my wrist today. Oh, that's nice actually. What is this? Sweet Rose and Tobacco? It's funny because you can smell the rose and you can smell the tobacco, but it's like a really nice mixture because tobacco's, I mean, you don't want to smell like tobacco, do you? But it's like, because of the rose, it kind of has this like, almost like a warm, kind of like a warm, fresh, woodsy rose. That doesn't make sense, but yeah, it's very subtle. It's not overwhelming at all. It's a very, very subtle like scent. It's actually really nice. It's not too masculine. So again, this is a great little thing to stick in your purse. I think I'm probably the most excited for this hand cream because the hand cream feels really good. This little perfume oil, I know I will use a lot, and I love this rug. And then I know Lily will be very excited for that little purse. So that's everything that came in my FabFitFun members picks box. It's just really fun, like it's nice, and it's a really great way to try new products that you wouldn't normally try or have ever even heard of. So it's just an awesome thing to get, and I love it. And I love that it's always geared towards the season. So fall is very fall inspired. Winter will be winter inspired. So I really like that. I just think it's fun, and you guys know I love subscription boxes. Like I just think that they're so fun, and FabFitFun is hands down my favorite like lifestyle fashion beauty box because they just give you so many. It's just such a great value. You get so many products in there. They're really nice. They're high end, and you just get like a really good variety as well. So absolutely love FabFitFun. If you guys haven't tried it, I highly suggest you do. Don't forget to use that coupon code. It will save you guys $10 off and bring that box down to $39.99. If you guys already get FabFitFun, please leave a comment in the description box letting people know what you think about FabFitFun. Is it worth it? Do you love it? Are you a fan? I am a huge fan, and I just feel like it's just such a great box. It's so worth the money for what you get. Huge thank you again to FabFitFun for sponsoring this video and partnering up with me. I really, really appreciate it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.